Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to the session. Part 5, lesson number 13, Our Mineral Wealth. So children, we are going to continue with the lesson. So before moving ahead, first we will recall what we had learned in the previous class. Okay. So children, in the previous class, we have learned about crude oil or petroleum. Can you remember? Yes, crude oil or petroleum is a fossil fuel formed over millions of years from the dead remains of sea animals. Okay, like coal, it is also an important source of energy. So children, what do we get from petroleum? Yes, we get petrol, diesel, kerosene and cooking gas from petroleum. And we also get a number of other things such as lubricants, plastics and cosmetics. Okay. Where is petroleum found? Yes, petroleum is found deep under the earth and under the floor of the sea. Deep wells called oil wells are drilled to pump out the petroleum. And where it is separated? Petroleum is separated into different products in petroleum refineries. And this process is called refining of petroleum. Natural gas. Natural gas is found along with petroleum in some oil fields. Mica, limestone and rock salt are some other non-metal minerals found in India. Okay, so today we are going to learn conservation of a mineral wealth. So let's get started. Conservation of our mineral wealth. So children, what is conservation? Yes, conservation is the care and protection of these resources so that they can persist for future generation. We have to protect them. Okay. So our mineral resources of the earth are limited. We have limited mineral resources. Mineral fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas, they take millions of years to form. Okay, mineral fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas take millions of years to form. But what we do? We are using these resources too fast. Okay, we are using these resources too fast. What will happen if we use these resources too fast? Yes? If we continue to do so, the petroleum deposits in the world will finish in less than 100 years. If we continue to do so, the petroleum deposits in the world will finish in less than 100 years. And coal deposits will probably last us for about 250 years. Is it clear? Coal deposits will probably last us for about 250 years. Okay. Exhaustible resources. Children, what is exhaustible resource? Okay, I'll explain. A natural resource that once used is not available again. That is, if a natural resource is used completely, it will not be available again. Okay. So resources that are gone forever once used. Resources that are gone forever once used are known as exhaustible resources. Okay. Our mineral resources are exhaustible. Our mineral resources are exhaustible. Therefore, there is need today to conserve them. So, we need to conserve them. How can we conserve them? Yes, how can we conserve them? Yes, we should use them carefully. We should use them carefully and not waste them. And also, there is need to use more and more of the inexhaustible resources. What is inexhaustible resources? Yes, a natural resource that is never completely used up. Okay, so there is need to use more and more of the inexhaustible resources such as solar, wind and water energy. Is it clear, children? So children, with this, the chapter comes to an end. Children, now let's take a small recap of what we have learned. Okay. Number 1, minerals are dug out from the earth. They give us useful metals and non-metals. Number 2, ores are rock rich in minerals that give metals such as iron, copper or aluminium. Number 3, petroleum, coal and natural gas or non-metals. Number 4, there are large deposits of most ores and non-metals minerals in India. Number 5, mineral deposits are exhaustible and should be conserved. Okay. Now, words to remember. Children, you have to remember these words. Okay. Mineral, a naturally occurring substance obtained by mining or drilling. Mine, a hole dug in the earth to take out minerals. Metal, a hardy shiny material used to make many useful things. Petroleum, oil found under the surface of the earth. Exhaustible resource, a natural resource that once used is not available again. Inexhaustible resource, a natural resource that is never completely used up. Okay, so children, with this the chapter comes to an end. What you will do? You will read the textbook and try to solve the objectives given in the textbook. So children, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.